Guideline 5.B.2. Psychoactive substance. When the provider documentation refers to use, abuse, and dependence of the same substance, for example, alcohol, opiates, or cannabis, only one code should be assigned to identify the pattern of use based on the following hierarchy. If both use and abuse are documented, assign only the code for abuse. If both abuse and dependence are documented, assign only the code for dependence. If use, abuse, and dependence are all documented, assign only the code for dependence. If both use and dependence are documented, assign only the code for dependence. Let's take a look at 3 case scenarios. Alcohol dependence with intoxication. Our code would be F10.229, and our coding path would be intoxication, alcoholic. Our next case, alcohol abuse with use of cannabis. Here we would need to code the alcohol abuse as well as the use of cannabis. And our code would be F10.10 for the alcohol abuse and F12.90 for the use of cannabis. Our next case, chronic alcohol abuse with dependence. In this case, we'd only need to code the dependence based on the hierarchy chart, and our code would be F10.20, and our coding path would be dependence, alcohol. Our next case, cannabis use with anxiety disorder due to cannabis abuse. Here we would only need to code the abuse according to our hierarchy chart, and our code would be F12.180, and our coding path would be abuse, drug, cannabis with anxiety disorder. We have additional case scenarios in reference to this particular guideline, 5.B.2. We have a patient presented for treatment for alcohol abuse with mood disorder. The blood alcohol level test results were 28 milligrams or 100 milliliters. Our coding path here would be abuse, alcohol, and our code would be F10.14. And for coding the blood level, our coding path would be blood, alcohol level, and that code would be Y90.1. Our next scenario, Joel presented to ER. He's a known cocaine abuser with signs of tremors and withdrawal. Our code would be F14.23, and our coding path would be withdrawal. And we have an instructional note that indicates, see instructional note, see also dependence by drug type with withdrawal.